Good morning, everyone. How is everyone doing out there? Guys, I want to go over this real quick. People ask me about my moto vlog setup. What am I using? How am I using it? So I figured I'd go over this real quick here. Let me flip this here. Okay, there we go. This is the first camera I use. This is my D.J.I Action 2. This is the camera facing me when I'm riding down the road. You see my face. You see me talking. This is the camera I use. Then I have my Rode Wireless Go 2. That's the transmitter that I have hooked up. So when I'm speaking, you guys hear me talking. Here is the Rode wireless microphone that I am using as I'm rolling down the road, that I'm talking into, that I have up under my helmet. Here is my helmet cam. This is the other one I'm using, my helmet cam here. Let me step around the other side where we got a little bit better light. There you go. That's the helmet cam I'm using, the GoPro 10. That's the helmet, or that's the view you see as I'm rolling down the road. You guys see my perspective as I'm rolling down the road. That's that camera, GoPro 10, and then the rear camera here, back of the bike. That's the camera you guys see from behind as I'm riding down the road. What you're seeing behind me, and that is my GoPro 8, probably the best camera from GoPro I ever owned. But there it is. There's my setup. Like I said, people have been asking me, what do you use? So there it is. So, all right, guess what? I guess it's time now to do a moto vlog. Alright guys, here we go. If everything works out fine, this is going to be a good moto vlog. Got all three cameras running. Also, I filmed 1080-60. Do I have 4K capability? Yes, but 1080 is perfectly fine for me. But oh, wait, hang on. Check out the walking street. Nobody wants to see my face. We're just gonna ride. Maybe ride up. Well, obviously you see where we're at. Ride up near. Go down into Hensonville. Go over to Hensonville Bridge. Work our way up to. Let's see, maybe Center City. Go down McCarthy. We're just gonna do a loop. We're gonna ride. We're just gonna ride so you guys can enjoy the scenery. Nobody coming. Plus it gives you an idea of what it's like to ride a motorbike. You guys understand something. Riding in the city is different than riding out in the province. Even riding in this city of Angeles is different than riding in Manila. I know one thing out in the province. Thing you got to worry about out there, well, you might not have a lot of traffic out in the province. However, you've got to keep your eye out for dogs and chickens and roosters. They'll come across the front of you and you're cruising out in them province roads, and you really got to watch out for that. Here you just got to watch out for other vehicles, people doing what I call the Heisman pose. You guys know the Heisman pose, right? You have people that will actually walk out in front of you, throw out their arm, like I call it the Heisman pose, like they're going to stop your bike or your car. The good old Heisman pose, as I call it. All right, we're heading down Narciso Avenue. This is where I did my video yesterday about trash in the Philippines. Please, before you make a comment, watch the whole video. People will look at a title of a video and make a comment right off the bat without even watching it. They'll watch 10 seconds of it, 15 seconds of it, a minute of it and then make a stupid comment without watching the whole video. You got to watch whole videos to understand what I'm talking about. And this is a your typical moto vlog video, so not too much to talk about. Just look at, guys, right here. Like I said, this area through here where Candy Palace is and all that, multi-million dollar USA. Yet this road here is probably right there. That little spot right there is probably one of the worst parts of the road. You're surrounded in this area by millions of US dollars. And nobody can fix that road right there. Crazy. And we'll shoot down here. We'll take a left. As I go into Hensonville, just do the loop. So you never trust a turn signal here. Never. People have turn signals on, turning left, turning right, come up to an intersection or whatever, they're not turning. So you never trust a turn signal. And also on motorcycles here, I don't know how the Walmart three-wheelers are. You guys know what I'm talking about, little Walmart three-wheelers that run around here. Not the big ones, the little ones. I don't know if they have self-canceling turn signals, but your scooters that you ride, like mine and others, they don't have self-canceling turn signals. So you always got to remember, if you turn left, turn right, use your turn signal. They're not self-canceling. What does that mean? They don't turn off. There's no click. Like if you're riding in a car, there's none of that. You got to remember. And the old Hensonville. You guys, if you look up here, I'll show you here. My microphone is stuck right up here now. Right inside my helmet. I got that dead cat on to kill off the wind. You guys have left comments saying that it sounds a lot better. And then I'm like, all right, let me turn this, flip this down. Now it sounds like I'm in a tunnel, right? Sounds like I'm in a cave with the helmet down. This is just a test. I'm wondering how well it's going to sound. To me, it sounds like I'm in a tunnel. Just as a test. All right, back up. These little road microphone go-tos, they're good. It's all in personal preference, and I like them. I think they're great. It's been a while since I've been down through this way. Fighting the road, you got bicycles on the road, people on the road. This is city driving. Then you got the intersection. If you notice, intersections, there's no stop signs. Nobody has a stop sign. There's no yield. There's no traffic light. Oh yeah, right there. No helmet. No helmet. You guys count how many people have no helmets. Required by law to have a helmet. Also another thing that's required by law, shoes, closed shoes, no sandals, no chanillas. But it is what it is. This is the Philippines. Just finished going over the Hensonville Bridge. In the afternoon, early morning, you'll have a traffic guy here right in this intersection, because this will get really backed up with a lot of traffic. big car here. Big Toyota. I'll get around him. That's what's nice on a motorbike. There's a big grader, huh? I say, we'll turn right. Turn right up here. Oh man, bumps too. Always got to watch out for bumps. Holes in the ground. There's construction going on there. That's where the Palenque market is. If they're doing, adding more buildings on in there. You know, and if you want to be a nut on a motorbike, you can be a nut on a motorbike. It's all up to you. If you want to drive all crazy, go for it. It's all up to you. You can pass on the left, you can pass on the right. You can split the lanes here. Would I suggest someone coming here first and doing all that crazy stuff? Unless you're really experienced. Smells good. Another intersection that gets very, very busy. There's your hospital on the right-hand side. People say, Philly, you drive like a maniac. I just drive like everybody else drives. Because here's the weird thing, if you don't drive like everybody else drives, then you become a hazard on the road. I know it sounds crazy, it sounds silly, but you do. You become a hazard on the road. Thank you. Project of San Benjin. Yeah, I'm not even going to try it. I'm not even going to try it. See how everybody gives and goes here. You give, you go. You give, you go. Share the road with bicyclers like that with a little cart on the side. Got people pushing carts down the road. Controlled chaos is all it is. Appears to be chaotic, but it's all under control. There's another intersection up here. Four-way intersection that's always pretty busy. No traffic stop or no traffic signs. No traffic lights, no stop signs, none of that. I gotta get myself around here. Plenty of room there. But here, like I said, another intersection. Back in the States, there'd be a traffic sign or a traffic light there or something, stop sign, whatever. Yeah, buddy. It's like give and go, give and go. Even when you go around someone, you gotta look in that mirror. They'll sneak up the side. They'll sneak up either side. So you gotta constantly keep your eyes on your mirror. Trust your mirrors. Turn your head. That's a motorcycle pickup in front of us. See that? You put your bad boy in there, you put whatever in there, and away you go. Now we're coming up in the center city here. Now where do I want to go? I think I'm going to shoot around the circle. I'm going to take you down. I'll take you down this crazy street here. What time is it? 9:40. It should be pretty busy. I'm going to shoot around the circle. Wow, the circle's pretty empty. Traffic enforcers in the middle. Let's shoot down this street here. Street that goes by St. Nicholas Market here. Show you how busy it gets through here. Guys, if you're riding along this long, thank you. Like I said, it's going to be a long video. It's going to be a long video. Let's see what's going on here. This guy, I don't know what this guy's yelling at. He's yelling about something. I always see if I keep my feet planted up on the floorboards of a motorcycle. See how well I'm balanced. That's a great way to whoa, look out. See that shit? Right there, boom. They didn't even look. They just opened the door. And almost took me out. I always see how well balanced I am. If you can ride around the city and test yourself with your balance. What I mean by balance, don't put your feet down. Wow, this road's super empty. That wasn't even challenging. Man, I was looking for a challenge. What is today? Wednesday. Wednesday, 9 o'clock, 9:40. It's usually pretty busy. That wasn't even a challenge, guys. Things happen so quick, like that guy that just threw his door open without looking. You don't even have enough time to react on your horn. Like you have enough time to react on your bike, but not a horn. So that's the fun. That's the fun. By the hospital here. I see, where do I want to, I'll turn up this road here, up the road here a little bit. All right. I think that, yeah, this will come to a T, and then I'll turn left. We'll go by Mama Lucian. When I get there, I'll tell you. It's where the C-Sig was invented. Mama Lucian's C-Sig. Lucy's. It's a place where Anthony Bourdain liked to sit and eat when he came here to the Philippines. Ling Lusing to the left. The CC Queen. Alright, now we're back up on the main road. Now everybody says I need to write down the streets I'm on, and I will do that. Because there's never no signs or street signs that tell you which street you're on. All right. If you've gone on this ride with me this long, I appreciate it. Greatly appreciate it. We're going to come up here into the circle, and we're going to meet up with MacArthur Highway and go over the Abacan Bridge. The circle's always crazy too. Find a lane on a motorbike and you just get there. It's probably, yeah, there's traffic authority here in the circle. Come on, let's go. Let's move. The circle's open. And I know these guys are just doing their jobs, you know, the traffic enforcers and the circle enforcer. That fucking idiot. Yeah, fucking idiot. Yeah, I said it, fucking idiot. Almost ran me off the road. Yes, you will lose your cool. And I'm 30 seconds into the video, so swearing's okay. But yes, there are fucking idiots. I know. I'd say it. Billy, you're a fucking idiot. Alright, thank you. Yeah. Alright, here we are. We're going to cross the Abacan Bridge. And we're on MacArthur Highway, so I'm going to wrap this one up. I know it's a long video, but when you're out and about, riding around, having a good time, time flies. So if you stuck with me this long, thank you so much. There it is. That's what it's like riding here in at least Angeles City. Like I said in the beginning of the video, it's different areas that you decide you're going to ride, so, or live. You know, out in the province, provincial driving's a lot simpler. However, you do got to watch out for the big old excuse me, the bug. You got to watch out for the big old buses that like to pass other cars in turns out in the province with no care in the world if you're coming around that turn or not. So anyways, guys, there it is. And with that, hope you enjoyed the ride. Let me know what you think. Comments down below, and we'll talk to you later.